ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi tak net foodish ordar mapi nginwan ra mangi hakhrdop ying jongpi
Ringkat lang bat kepertahi baro kawai ke District Water and Sanitation Mission Jal Jeevan Mission jong ke East Jaintia Hills District hakasngi baar jong ka R4R tarik unai leber arajar R4R kala rakhi kerpang ya ke World Water Day halor ka pang groundwater making the invisible visible. Hakatingilang rakhi kabalalong St. Anthony's College Extension Auditorium kabadan hakasnong bindi hati Menteri Jong Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ubat Kermen Shilla ulalong kumukongsan harengkat kajingi donlang jong Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Jaintia Hills District UE Baranwal ki kena skul bat kinong hikai. Executive Engineer jong Ketenat PHE Electrical Division jong ke Joai ubadairu Member Secretary jong ke District Water and Sanitation Mission Jal Jeevan Mission ubat Pynsah ula keren sapang kajing don kamban tingkai ya ke Kamtam hagani gajok baga kalas dang ban kerdo namar bala jor saba palat kajing penjaklia jong ukhon benreo ya kamai mariam.
Letok boro gini isi to ke World Water Day ka OIP kani ke jadwal saja ile dengan kamu perkhari itu daw saja ubi. Tangwa ini kejinglong yang i bro. Waliwi ye kejing yang i bonsen wo celebrate ile de kemeni wo blai de yo kejing to asing khai celebrate the World Water Day kamne ya percak bai kamu Pynneh Pynsah untuk World Water Day kemoy iku blay ki begi payung ni Parents Day kemoy iku blay ki khol kenal lagi payung yang ni hal children's citizen in our IP imam kam celebrate we don't need to celebrate all these days daman lupa ro kita kisni to de bentai yang kecil yang ibu contribute and ready to you smart maling ba kayi ko ba ngani hajing lai ti yang ko to mandale bahagi bro I haden chit yaw le chibna le chislam smart I maling kete to ko ba bolsen mandamaling I kejile bahaya bro kayi ujia utuno le bah bolsen hestel le arkete no wo le amo dama le dam maling lam le boy ni bah kejile kam temper ngai skemo I kam bro how le bah khantam I officers ki I to recruit tom day and night ngawa de em heta secretariat the you pressure na le you government ki well it has to be done by 2022 do thia I kam ki hab duk le de ki phau li isnem ki hab po chisnem ars nem de to deadline le sarkar the nei te taw sao kmenu om ni tangwa mem do chikir meni le em nu ko contribution na le yo nga kam long ikman na ni East Jaintia Hills ngaw kerpa le Pynsah bha igala ikre lang chang bi khana yo man scam ke de jit mu yo ga sarkar wo jit mu yo pai ba yo man go ha chu ko yo chimun toy gi ye ke te nuksa wo kam de hit kai ki no chwa ba kam chu le kam da anglo ga sarkar wo kam nu le Pynneh Pynsah ye ko das nyao pin le yo ba pol wo de Pynsah mo ro wo ga ni ko kan nu persen he wo hoi di kemus ke da dang ni de lai chpo Maldives har import walai yo ki thau ki khem khala ta kadu bhiar ite yo drap he ki ki thau yo ko ka chwalai be ko suda ta ga yi realize ite por kadu dang su bi swimming pool dang biang ko he por wa yo su ko to em ko tu ga si mo yo pian ba ko kadu su bi te madam sia ko chiten man wa hi lam em ga ni ko wo preserve ga ni mo ite ko ngai skemo da gichi crash to lang ni yung ibi kham tam ki khana school never oi ta isu li school ki da penyo yo to presentation yo bi sang su pa wo batai ni su pi ri ni re tam ni te na ni chi wa ni ko pi chi le ha ni ngai skemo ni ka mo ki le bi wo bi ko bi no che ke mo ba ye ko to le ka mo ha ni
the qualitative aspect, that is, if we are discharging the wastewater onto some field, if we are using the fertilizers, the pesticides and all these things, ultimately the groundwater is getting polluted, and a time will come when if we have to fall back on groundwater, we can't rely on that. Unfortunately, in many parts of Meghalaya, in even our district, groundwater, even if it is being extracted, is not of a potable quality. As a result of which, the people in the district and in the larger state as well are facing tremendous problems. I congratulate the PHE department, the government of India, the government of Meghalaya, that they have done a tremendous job through Jal Jeevan mission, in which the water is being taken to every household. And in fact, the government of Meghalaya has also committed to an expeditious completion of the project. However, the ultimate takeaway from World Water Day today is what the children have been telling us, and I want to express my sincere appreciation for the Minister, sir, that he listened to every student very patiently. So these all students have put up the exhibition, put up the models, only to remind us that what are the ways through which we can help in preservation and conservation of groundwater.
I call upon each one of us to do something in your lifetime to conserve this groundwater, which is only 0.75% of the fresh water on earth. Thank you.